Meaning of Dunhill.
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 Dunhill. Dunhill is a British luxury brand that specializes in men's fashion, leather goods, and accessories. The brand was founded in 1893 by Alfred Dunhill, and it is known for its traditional and classic style. Dunhill's products are often associated with high-end and sophisticated lifestyles. The brand has also expanded into other areas such as fragrances and writing instruments, and maintains a strong presence in the international market. Overall, Dunhill represents timeless elegance and has established itself as a prominent name in the world of luxury fashion.